Pinch bowl set. Keep your ingredients close at hand like a professional chef with this set of 6 small pinch bowls. They feature a beautiful array of colors in their glazed interiors with unglazed terracotta exteriors. Versatile vessels. Use these tiny bowls as serving dishes for condiments, snacks, candy, other finger foods. Great for meal prepping or as a small jewelry dish or trinket tray. Charming detail. Each pinch bowl has a 2.75-inch diameter, stands 1 inch tall and can hold 1 ounce. These earthenware clay pinch bowls should be washed by hand. Housewarming gift for new home. Packaged in a gift-ready box, these pinch bowls make a great addition to any hostess, wedding or housewarming gift. Stylish kitchen. For over 50 years, Now Design's kitchen textiles accessories have been consistently recognized for their superior colors, trends, designs, unsurpassed quality workmanship. Keep salt, spices and nuts at the ready with a set of 6 terracotta pinch bowls by Now Designs. The earthenware clay terracotta construction creates a striking contrast against the beautiful glazed, glossy hues in this small bowl set. Each small pinch bowl features a beautiful glazed interior and unglazed exterior to highlight the natural beauty of terracotta. These prep bowls, pinch bowls, measure 2.75 inches in diameter and are 1 inch tall. Care, hand wash. Proudly made by Now Designs. For 50 years, Now Designs has created kitchen textiles, table linens and accessories that are consistently recognized for superior colors, trends, design and unsurpassed quality and workmanship. Top reviews from the United States. Very tiny but perfect for my need. I purchased these so I can take pictures with herbs in them for a photo shoot I am doing for my herbal business website I am launching. I have a light box I am going to use to showcase each herb. These are perfect for tiny, up-close pictures for detail. Among other things I can see them being used as dipping saucers for children, soy sauces, ginger, wasabi, condiment holders, and even used to hold small beads and whatnots you may find in your house and just need a small places to drop things like pennies, earring backs, rings, etc. They are very small. These are not made for cereal, soups and cooking, just tiny things.